pick off the machine. Yes. Now it's coming water, cleaning. Oh. The next cow is a little bit shy.
Yeah, it's coming now.
No, he has not. She was not allowed to be milked again. She was here probably some hours ago.
Oh. So this machine is automatically work.
What?
This machine is automatically, or somebody is operating this machine?
Yes. A new one. No, she get out again.
So if she was queuing, that cow was den köade.
Ja, alltså de får inte tillstånd. De får inte komma så ofta som de vill, alla. Så det har kommit 2 stycken nu som inte haft mjölktillstånd.
De hade mjölktillstånd.
Det måste gå några timmar, 5-6 timmar.
Skicka mig till Bryssel för att
Så kan det vara.
Okay. This milk put here.
Yes. And it's coming here to this, and then it goes in a tube all out to the tank. Ja.
So this one can come in, but she's hesitating. Den här har tillstånd.
Så är det.
Ja.
Det vet vi inte.
Men dörren ser öppen ut. Eller det